everybody. This is just a quick video to show you how to do the Introduce Yourself assignment. So basically when you look in the classroom, it's going to be under that orientation folder. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the actual discussion board topic assignment there. So the gist of the assignment is just going to read through here and says, welcome to journalism. Over the next few months, you'll spend a lot of time with each other. Please take a few moments to introduce yourself or to your fellow classmates. Be sure to post your answers and then respond to one other student. Anything that is posted on the discussion board must be school appropriate. My rule of thumb is that if you can't say it to your grandparent, your parent, a teacher in person, then you definitely shouldn't be posting it. So what you're going to do is you are going to take and you're just going to copy these, and it's going to pop up for me because I created it. You'll be able to just copy. But all you're going to do is copy. And then you are going to start a new thread. And you can paste those down there. You can say whatever you want to say. You can say, you know, I'm going to say Mrs. Six's responses. But you can say whatever you want to. So then as you go through, you're going to go, what name do you go by? I go by Pam. What do you like to do in your spare time? I like to hike, do yoga, hang out with family and friends. Oop, and I can't spell. Friends. And then so forth and so on. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but that's all you do. Then you're going to do post. And it's as simple as that. The other thing that you were asked to do is just to respond to one other student. So up here it says be sure to listen to my barking dog. Be sure to respond to at least one other student. And to do that, so like right now there's nobody else in here, but I am obviously in here. So to respond to me, I would click on that. And then I would just reply to it. And I would say, so let's say I like yoga too. I'd say, nice to meet you. I love to do yoga too. And then you can post it. And that's it. So really easy. I'm going to delete these so as not to confuse you guys when you actually go to do them up there. It is going to definitely be something that is super quick and super fast for you guys to do. So when you are, and I'm going to delete this one too. And and that's it. That's it for orientation week. It's the only thing that you guys have to do. So if you have any questions, please let me know.